Have you ever seen an inspector rubbing a cloth on a painted surface with some liquid and wondered what exactly they are checking? Well, that test is called the MEK test. And today I'm going to explain it in a very simple way. So first, what is MEK? MEK stands for Methyl Ethyl Ketone. It's a strong solvent used in coating inspection to check how well a coating has cured, especially for epoxy and similar paint systems. Now let's understand the purpose. Why do we perform the MEK test? The main goal is to verify the degree of cure of the coating. In simple words, we want to make sure the paint has properly hardened and achieved its chemical resistance. If the coating is not fully cured, it can fail in service, leading to peeling, blistering, or corrosion issues. Now let's talk about how the test is actually done. The inspector takes a clean cloth or cotton and soaks it with MEK solvent. Then they rub it back and forth on the coated surface. Usually, one back and forth movement is counted as one double rub. Depending on the specification, the inspector may perform 25, 50, or even 100 double rubs on the same spot. While doing this, we carefully observe the surface. Now comes the important part. What do we look for? If the coating starts to soften, dissolve, or come off easily, that means the coating is not properly cured. But if the coating shows little to no effect, even after the required number of rubs, then it passes the test, indicating good curing. Let's make it more practical. Imagine you rub the surface 50 times and the paint starts coming off quickly. This is a fail, but if after 50 rubs, the surface is still intact with only slight dullness, this is generally acceptable. However, always remember, acceptance criteria depends on the project specification. Now, let's talk about safety. MEK is a highly flammable and hazardous chemical, so always use gloves, safety goggles, proper ventilation. Never perform this test in a confined space without safety precautions. So to summarize, the MEK test is a simple but powerful method to check coating cure, ensuring durability and long-term performance. If you found this explanation useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more coating inspection knowledge. Thank you.